happiness.
What kept you coming back?
The kids. My kids love the nursery, the preschool area.
The pastors here care about everyone as an individual. They're always willing to pray for you and just be there for you, and it's such a family atmosphere despite the size.
Gosh, I like this new building. The atrium here is just so open, you know, you get to just sit and hang out with people and talk. Also, another thing that I really enjoy is the new children's area. You know, we got the two little ones.
The family, I think they got a lot of stuff going on for the family as a whole. You know, I know my kids getting the word at the same time I'm getting the word, so I really love that.
Team is awesome.
The acceptance, just accepting people as they are, whether it's what you wear, the diversity, all of that.
I love the spiritual atmosphere. I love God at this church. I love everything.
About it. I told them it might be a big church, but the hearts are just as big as the walls of the church outside.